Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurufana binti Amiruddin. My metric number is 155888 and I am from group B10. Okay, this is how I will set up the experiment. This ruler is the beam, and then I do 3 lines to show the 0 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. And then this ruler is to measure the deflection, and then I'll put the load here on the 0 degree. So these are the apparatus that I use, which is scissors, protector, loads, thread, tape, ruler, book, candle, weighing scale, pins, and another ruler. So for my type of ruler is plastic. This is the load, it's 25 gram. So now I am going to put the load here. And it shows no deflection at all. This is the load of 50 gram. And the result shows 0 deflection. Now I am going to show the load of 75 gram. And the result shows no deflection too.
Good day, doctor. I'm Wiljon Nissen from group B10. For experiment, unsymmetrical loaded cantilever beam, these are the material that I used for my experiment, which are weighing scale, loads, compass, the measurements, threads, and this is the ruler that I'm going to use for the entire experiment. Okay, now let's do the experiment. As you can see that this is the ruler, or we can call it as cantilever beam. This ruler is supported by these loads on there, and the length of this steel ruler is 10 centimeter, and we can see that there is no deflection for now because there is no load is subjected. And here we can see a minor deflection by this weight, which is 50 gram, and we can see the changes in the measurement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nafar Safia binti Amiruddin and my metric number 156996. This is the apparatus that I use, which is scissor, pin, protector, steel ruler, double-sided, masking tape, plastic ruler, thread, and highlighter. This is the information of our experiment. Yang modulus 190 Newton per millimeter cube, length of steel ruler 160 mm, length from clamp to load 140 mm, width 10 mm, thickness 1 mm, length of thread from origin 5 mm. This is my experimental setup. I use 3 lines to show the angle of 0 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree. And then I use the plastic ruler to measure the deflection. Now, I use the steel ruler as a beam and double-sided to clamp the steel ruler. First load gonna be 1 halter, which is 25 gram. I use masking tape to hold the load, and the result shows 0.2 Newton. Second load, I use 2 highlighter, which is 50 gram. And the result shows 0.4 Newton. And the last one, I put 3 highlighter, which is 75 gram, and put the masking tape to hold the load. And the result shows 0.6 Newton.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hakim Ismail. My metric number is 156065, and I'm from group B10. So today I'm going to do the experiment S4. So this is the experiment setup, and we use the other ruler to measure the deflection later, like this. So this is the datum. Firstly, use the B10 load. And then we measure the deflection. And then we repeat the experiment with different width of load. This is P2 load. We measure the deflection of the beam. This is for P2 load. And finally, we repeat the procedure with the final load, which is P3. Then we measure the deflection.
For result 1, the degree is 0 degree. The type of ruler is plastic ruler. For load 25 gram, 50 gram, and 75 gram, the result shows no deflection. For result 2, the degree is 45 degree. The type of ruler is stainless steel. For load 25 gram, the deflection is 0.2 cm. For load 50 gram, the deflection is 0.35 cm. The load for 75 gram, the deflection is 0.55 cm. For result 3, the degree is 90 degree. The type of ruler is stainless steel. For load 25 gram, the deflection is 0.2 cm. For load 50 gram, the deflection is 0.4 cm. The load 75 gram, the deflection is 0.6 cm. For result 4, the degree is 90 degree. The type of ruler is stainless steel. For load 166 gram, the deflection is 4 cm. For load 333 gram, the deflection is 7.5 cm. For load 500 gram, the deflection is 10.5 cm.
This is the data analysis for our experimental.
This is the discussion of experiment S4.